Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to talk about weight loss, which is a very vast topic. And honestly speaking, everybody has their own solutions and remedies for it. But today I'm going to tell you three most easiest and simplest steps या फिर आप कह सकते हैं कि lifestyle modifications जो कि आपको आपके weight loss journey में बहुत help out करेंगे. Step number one. लिमिट द कंजम्पशन ऑफ शुगर एंड प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स. ये एक ऐसा स्टेप है जो आपके लिए गेम चेंजर हो सकता है. rather than having all these junk foods and fast foods, try to focus on nutrient rich foods जो कि ना सिर्फ आपको nutrients देते हैं, energy देते हैं, बल्कि they also keep you full and satisfied for longer period of time. Step number 2. Move more, weigh less. फिजिकली एक्टिव होना आपके वेट लॉस जर्नी के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. It does not only burn calories, but it is also very much important for your overall health and well being. There is no need to spend these long hours at the gym, but just some simple ways like taking stairs rather than elevators and going for a walk after the dinner can make a big difference. Step number 3. Mindful eating. इसमें यह है कि you can try to focus on portion control and avoid overeating. Make attention to what you are eating and how much you are eating. Also, try to avoid distractions while having your meals. For example, your phone, your TV, they can be distractions. So, try to avoid them while eating. ये सब कुछ शुरू में शायद कुछ मुश्किल लगेगा, लेकिन at the end of the day, it's all worth it and your body is gonna thank you for all of this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is dietitian Tehreem Zafar signing off.